In this video, we're going to be looking at BIDMAS. BIDMAS is an acronym. Let's see what each letter stands for. B stands for brackets, and it looks something like this. I stands for indices, and it looks something like this. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, as we're going to be having a future lesson about indices. D stands for division, and looks something like this. M stands for multiplication, and looks something like this. A stands for addition and looks something like this, and S stands for subtraction and looks something like this. Division and multiplication, addition and subtraction can be swapped over. These are because they are opposite operations. We will be having a future video about this. Okay, let's have a look at a question. We have 3 plus brackets 15 divided by 3 to the power of 2 times 6 minus 2. Using our rules of BIDMAS, we have to answer this question. We can see that the first letter is B, brackets, so we will do whatever is inside the brackets first. 15 divided by 3 is 5, so we'll rewrite this. 3 plus brackets 5 squared times 6 minus 2. Our next step is I, indices, so we will do 5 to the power of 2. 3 plus 5 to the power of 2 is 25 times 6 minus 2. Our next step is either division or multiplication. Here we have a multiplication. So we do 3 plus 25 times 6, which is 150, minus 2. And then our next step is either addition or subtraction. We'll do the addition first. 3 plus 150 is 153, minus 2. And this would be 151. Our answer would be 151 using the BIDMAS rule. Okay, I'd like you to try this question. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Okay, let's have a look at this step by step. First of all, we will do whatever is inside the brackets. And we have to use the BIDMAS rule within the brackets. So here I've done 4 squared, which is inside the brackets first, and rewritten it. And then I did the multiplication and division in both of these brackets, as seen here. And then I simplified what's in this bracket, and I did 2 times 4, and it looks something like this. And then we move on to indices, so I do 4 to the power of 2, which is 16, divided by 8 plus 7. We do the division, and then we add. Your answer should be 9. Okay, hopefully you are confident in questions in BIDMAS. If this video helped you, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe.